Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the third weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being mountains. And I'm all packed for my hike, so let's get into this painting. So coming into this, I knew I wanted this to be focused on just mountains because, well, the topic is mountains. But what I mean by this is I didn't want to have any other things that are landscape elements like trees or water or anything else. I only wanted to have a huge mountain with maybe some clouds circling the bottom of the image to really show the height of this mountain. In this image, I'm utilizing the TURPENOID a bit more to really soften up the sky and just have a bit of a flatter base color for the mountain as well. And this will just help with the rendering of the mountain so it doesn't all blend in too much. Since I'm using mainly just blues and whites for this image, I wanted to make sure that the base layer wasn't mixing too much with the other layers. But I am starting to get closer to the end, so sit back and relax and I will see you guys at the end of this video for the final results. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word mountains. I think this turned out super cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. You're gonna find them right on the bottom there. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!